So we are trying to locate the Madhyama and placing the Shadja for this song. So Shadja will be on Madhyama fret. That is Shuddha Madhyama. Okay, Prati Madhyama. Then locate the Chatushruti Rishabha, which will be in the Pa fret. Come to Pa. That will be the Pa fret. Right? Then Sa, Ri, Ma. So next will be your Shuddha Madhyama. So after your Ri, where is your Ma? After your Chatushruti Rishabha, you have to leave two Gandharas and then come to Shuddha Madhyama. So what is the original key? That is for?
That is for Ni 2.
Correct. Okay. So Sa, Ri, Ma. Then now we have to come immediately to the alternate next key. In a Pratimadhyamam bitite, you have to come to your for Pa. Pa in the Madhyama Shruti. Pa in the Madhyama Shruti. Come to your left. Come to your right, sorry. Come to your right.
Here.
No, you have already located Pa.
This Pa, yeah.
Sa, Ri, Ma, Pa. Ri, Ma, Pa. Then Ni. Ni is going to be here. What Nishada is for Vrindavani?
It is Ni 3.
Kakali Nishada. Kakali Nishada. Okay, so all the swaras will, relative frequency will shift.
Go down. Go up.
So again, when you go to the Tara Shadja, what it will become? It will be your higher Ma on the first. So that way you have to practice the Sarimapanisa, Sanipamanisa, Arohana, Avarohana for Vrindavani initially before you start playing the notes. Otherwise, every phrase, musical phrase, you will be locating the swaras. That rules out the continuity. So what happens is, first locate Shadja and put it on Madhyama.
Okay.
I mean, locate Madhyama and play
Madhyama.
And consider it as a Shadja. Consider it as a Shadja. Adu Shadja Manaka, then relative. Chatushruti Rishabha, Shuddha Madhyama, Panchamam, then
Kakali Nishada.
is what? Vrindavani.
There is 2 Nishadam varudha, Mami. Kaisikiyum and Kakaliyum.
Sorry?
Do we have both Nishadams here?
See, actually, this is Vrindavani. When we use it as for this folk tunes, they use Kakali Nishada as well as Kaisiki Nishada.
Okay.
And it will be very sparingly used. The Nishadas where they are used, they will be used in certain phrases. So when they are used in phrases, at that point of time, I mean at that location of that notation, there you have to fix it or mention it. So in that it is here it is Ni 3. Kakali Nishada. Okay. So where it is Kaisiki Nishada, you have to mention it evidently as Kaisiki Nishada or Ni 3.
Oh, Ni 2.
Generally, this is done in this kind of Mishra Ragas, which the Hindustani people call them as Mishra Ragas, where 2 varieties, that is why it is called as a Bhashanga Raga. Bhashanga Raga and not a Upangajanya Raga. So what we call Bhashanga, they call it Mishra Raga, where there are varieties of frequencies for a same note. Got it? Okay.